Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. Today I prepare for you two different stockings and today I'm unboxing the both pair. Okay, let's go to the first pair. First pair, it's white stockings. Okay. I don't know actually how many 10 is, but I try and I'll see. Okay. Wow. It's a really sparkly right here. It's so beautiful. It's unexpected. Okay. Slightly. Wow. It's some pattern on them. Some lines. And don't have a reinforcement on toes. Okay, I try them. What do you think? It's really nice. I like it. There is. It's very comfortable and teeny. Okay. And back. I'm really excited about them. Okay, I'm really happy for them. It's actually really cute. I prepare my shoes. Black shoes with sparkle, and I try them. How they look on my outfit today. Today I'm wear my red skirt, and I have a red pedicure also. Wow, I really like them. Whoa. I'm really happy. I hope you like it, the first pair, and now we'll go to the second pair of stockings. I come closely. Okay, we have 15 den stocking, and this is a nude one and basic one. Ooh, I like this part of them. Wow. Oh. Okay, I go try them. I'm back, and there is my new stockings. It's a nude color. It's a really teeny, and I like it. They have reinforcement on toes and the back on leg, okay, but it's not no thicker so much. It's okay. It's teeny. And it's really comfortable for me. And I try my shoes. I want to complete my outfit on my red skirt. I would like you to comment which one for my outfit is better. First one or second one. I like both of them. Maybe second pair, because my styling today it's a really basic. But first one is actually nice too. What do you mean? And that's it. We go to the end video, and I would like you to watch my video for start to end, and press the subscribe button, like the video, comment the video, choose the stockings, and that's it. See you in another video. Bye guys!